so excited to be back with the ONS team to recreate a whole new tea-inspired gelato menu.
It's been our most popular collaboration. It's probably the one we get asked the most about when we're going to do again. But we're really excited to announce that on April 20th, we will launch our spring collection. And this time around, we really want our fans to be part of it. We want to give you guys the ability to vote back some of your favorite flavors.
We were inspired by light spring florals, and we wanted to experiment with more complex and uncommon teas. We've experimented with a lapsang souchong, which is a smoked tea that is smoked over pine wood. It has an ashy and a hickory taste to it, and it's only for a limited time. So hope to see you guys there to try our new and classic flavors.